Hey, this is G from Outlier Automation. I'm down here at the Staubli Open House in Southern California. I'm here with SRI, and tell me a little bit about your company and who you are.
Yeah, SRI has been around for 75 years. We're a research and development company that helps create things. And so we've created the Da Vinci surgical robot, the virtual first down line, if you've seen that on TV, as well as Siri, if you're a big Apple user.
Oh, whoa, that's a good one. Okay, so what do you have here, and what are you showing off?
Yeah, so here we're showing off XRGo software. It's for robot telemanipulation. It's an extension of what we did for the Da Vinci surgical robot. And so it allows you to telemanipulate a robot. So oftentimes what you see is robot automation. In many cases, you need to control the robot manually for things that you wouldn't automate. They're too expensive. So things go wrong. In this case, some of the examples are test tubes fall over. And here you see my associate Nick controlling the robot. He's looking at it through the VR headset. And so he's able to control the robot, move test tubes around, and manipulate them. So it's about removing people from hazardous situations or removing people who are hazards from those situations. So sterile pharmaceutical, energy, etc.
Gotcha. So yeah, you just said medical, but why energy? What's the application there?
Yeah, so in energy, there's use cases where they put people in closed vessels to do repair work, and frankly, it's kind of dangerous, and they have to put in a lot of safety measures. In this case, you could take a robot, put it in there, the person's still doing the work, but they're doing it via a robot.
So you guys have the Staubli robot here. That's kind of an obvious application, but what are the other pieces around it?
Yeah, so the other pieces around it, great question. This is a stereo camera. So he's actually able to see real depth, real stereo vision. There's a foot pedal down here that's a clutch that gets the robot to move. So if he lifts off that pedal, he can move his hands and the robot won't move any longer. It also helps you control the camera. You can zoom in and out. Then we have a computer that's actually driving the robot itself through the XRGo software that SRI has developed.
Nice. So who are your customers? Who are you selling to?
Yeah, so we're selling to pharmaceutical companies who want to remove gloves, right? So in sterile manufacturing environments, we have the glove boxes. People that want to remove gloves, we're talking to biohazard companies where they have gloves, there's hazards associated with it. We're talking to energy companies who want to remove people from hazardous situations. So think anywhere where you have things that can't be automated, too expensive to automate, where people are hazards, they're breathing in a sterile pharmaceutical manufacturing environment, or the environment is hazardous to them, radioactive pharmaceuticals, energy where there's natural hazards. We've done work in the mining industry where they're placing explosives in areas that you can't send a human.
So if someone or a company has an application that they think might fit this, what should they do?
We're looking for individuals that want to do proof of concept use cases, and we're currently selling the proof of concept use case product, and you can find me on LinkedIn.
Awesome, cool. Thanks for talking to me today.
Absolutely, it's a pleasure. Thanks.
Same.